નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 4th, સબ્જેક્ટ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ. ચેપ્ટર નંબર 9, ચેન્જિંગ ફેમિલીઝ. Good morning students, how are you all? See, in the 3rd standard you have learned about the family, right? So what is the family? Family is a group of members, they live together. So there are two types of the family, nuclear family and a joint family. So in the nuclear family there are parents and children, and in the joint family there are grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, cousins. Okay, so all these live together, that is called a joint family. But do you know that the family doesn't remain same all the time? Means the number of the family members sometimes increases and sometimes decreases also according to the situation. So this we will learn about in our next chapter. So let us start our next chapter, that is chapter number 9, changing families. So in this chapter we will see how the family changes according to the situation. Okay, so in this chapter it is given the story of 3 persons, that is Kiran, Sumi and Dipali. Okay, so turn by turn we will see the story of these 3 persons. Okay, so first of all let us see the story of a girl whose name is Kiran. And Kiran is very excited and happy today. And why she is very happy? So you can see in this picture that she has a new little sister in her family, so that she is very excited because a new member has came in her family. So before this new member has came, there were 5 persons in her family: her mother, father, grandfather, grandmother and Kiran itself. Okay, so now this new baby has also arrived, so she is very excited. So now see in these pictures how many members are there now in the Kiran's family. So you can count in the picture. There are now 6 members in a family. So you can see here, because of a newborn baby the number of family members increased. Means before there were 5 members and now there are 6 members in the family. So below this Kiran's story there are given 3 questions related to Kiran's family. But today we will solve 2 questions related to the Kiran's family. So the first one is, how will Kiran spend her her day now? Means what will Kiran do from now onwards? So the answer is, she will play with the baby and make her smile. So whenever there is a small baby in your house, you also like to play with the baby, na? Her sweet smile, then small hands. Okay, so she will also play with the baby and make her smile. Now the next question is, what new work will her mother do now? See, in our house and in your house also, who does the whole household works? Our mother, right? So Kiran's mother is doing all the work, daily routine. But after this newborn baby, what new work her mother will have to do? So the answer is, she will be taking care of baby and her needs. So see, the baby is only a newborn baby, so she she can't speak or tell what she needs. Okay. So who will take care of all these things? So her mother will take care of the baby and her needs. So this is the new work of Kiran's mother. Okay, now let us take a look about Sumi's story. So what is Sumi's father doing? So Sumi's father is doing government job and he is promoted and also given a transfer. Promoted means, see, when any employee does very good work throughout the year or 2-3 years, they will observe if any employee is very good and sincere in his work, then the company gives them promotion. So Sumi's father has also got promotion, but along with the promotion he has also got the transfer means he has to go to the another city or office in the another city. Okay. So one day Sumi's father came home and informed all the family members that he has been promoted but also given a transfer. So all of them started the packing because they have to leave now this city and has to go to the another city at which her father has been promoted. Okay. So they started packing their luggage. And who will go with Sumi's father? Her mother and Sumi. Okay, so all these 3 persons will go to the another city. Now see, because of the job, they have to go to the another place. Means the number of family member decreases. Before that, there were 5 members: grandfather, grandmother, parents and Sumi. But because of these, the 3 persons are going to left the city. So the number of the family members decrease. Okay, so now we have seen 2 situations. If a newborn baby comes into the family, then the number of family member increases, and if any person has to leave the city due to any reason or the job, then the number of family member decreases. Okay, now let us see the story of the 3rd person, that is Dipali. Okay, so in Dipali's family there is a lots of joy and happiness. Means they all are very happy today. And why are they all happy? Because there is a marriage of Dipali's cousin, elder brother. So all the family members are very happy. Okay. So now in this chapter it is given the picture of some of the weddings. So let us see the pictures of Dipali's elder cousin brother's wedding. Okay. So in this first picture you can see that the bride's hands are being decorated with the henna. Henna means mehndi. Okay. Means the bride is putting mehndi in her hands. Okay. Now the next picture. In this picture you can see that the bride and the groom, they both are sitting and getting married. Okay. Now see the 3rd image. In this image you can see that the bride and groom, they are taking the round around the fire. And how many rounds they will take? They will take 7 rounds. Okay. Now see in the next picture, the bride and groom, they both are sitting and all the elders, they are giving blessings to them. Okay. So now in the last picture you can see that the bride is getting off to the next house. And in Hindi we are saying na bidai. Okay, that is. So now see the third situation. See now, a marriage of a boy is there in a family. Means that boy will get married with another girl. Right? So there will be one more person in the family. We all know that whenever a girl gets married, then she has to go to the another family. So now in Dipali's family there is one more member included. So the number of members in Dipali's family increased. Okay, so in this chapter we have learned three situations in which the number of family members changes. The first one is when the newborn baby comes in the family. The next one is when any person has to leave the family or the city because of the job or any reason. Then the third one is when a boy gets married, then the number of family members increase, and in the family if a girl is married, then the number of family members decreases. So all of you understood how the family changes according to the situations. Okay. So all of you cleared this chapter. Thank you for joining us.